What is up, my bros? Okay. What is up, my bros? My name is Professor37, and today I'm gonna be teaching you something. And I heard that the smoke detector went off. Went beep, 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 beep. That's how it went, right? And I have to get out of the house when there's fire in the house. The ceiling will be falling down, but there was no fire around in the hallway, so the house won't fall down. Anyways, our house is good. But I'm gonna be teaching you. I'm gonna show you this fire alarm, and I'll be testing out this fire alarm. And are you ready? Let's do this thing. Before we get into this, subscribe, hit that bell to get notified, and let's do this. So, I have this fire alarm here. You see, it says pull down, which means you have to pull it down in order for the alarm to go off. Right? So, let's test it. This is what it does. And this is what it does. But what if there's ash around? What if there was ash right in the middle of a fire alarm? I'll tell you what will happen. This is what will happen if someone gets too close to a fire alarm. That's what will happen. And then that's the fire alarm that I made. Well, someone's cooking right now, but the thing is, our fire alarm, when fire smoke gets close to its vents, that thing will beep automatically. And if we caught it on that video, that would be so awesome. I'm gonna get millions of views. So, that's how fire alarms work and all of that. Teaching all about safety. And that's how it goes. So, my name is Professor37. I'm gonna enjoy this video about fire safety, fire alarms, testing out fire alarms or whatever. Subscribe. Hit that bell to get notified. And I'll see you all into the next video. Bye-bye, everyone.